Come with me to my son's graduation. But first, mag-get ready muna ako. This is a late post kasi nung June 1 pa graduation nila. First is I use MAC Studio Fix as my powder foundation. Hindi ako makeup expert ha, at ang tamad ko nga rin mag-makeup basta ako ay nakapag-powder, blush on at lipstick, okay na ako. Pero dahil special occasion yan, magpa-mascara ako. Ang ginagamit ko for eyelash curler is itong rechargeable eyelash curler from Shein.
You're gonna graduate today?
Ang mascara ko is from O2O. Gusto kong mascara na to kasi lightweight lang siya at madali lang siyang alisin. Then for my lips, ang ginamit ko din is yung matte liquid lipstick ng O2O. This is in shade number 10, Caramel Chestnut Red. For my accessories, yung ginamit ko is itong hardware ring from Tiffany. Katerno siya ng necklace na Tiffany din. Tiffany inspired to ha, in 18K gold. Next is itong ring na may stone. Yung mga jewelries ko sa Madinat Zayed Gold Suko sila nabibili. Then next na sinuot ko yung wedding ring, which is a simple gold band lang, yung parang Lord of the Rings. For my earrings, ang pinili ko is itong water drop earrings, pero meron din akong ternong earrings ng hardware ng Tiffany. At syempre, teternohan ko din siya nitong Tiffany na hardware na bracelet na may heart din. Then, ilayer ko siya dito sa Cartier-inspired na bangle. Nung nag-fit check ako, ayan, meron ding mga gustong makisali. At yan na ang fit check ng stage mother. Ang graduation pala nila is sa Abu Dhabi University, which is like 25 to 30 minutes drive from Abu Dhabi City. Nagmamadali na kami niyan kasi 8:30 ang call time. Buti na lang umabot naman kami at yan nakapila at naghihintay na para makapasok. SRK, I am proud and rocket kid. SRK, I am proud and rocket kid.
Fostering a global community of learners. An ecosystem where diversity thrives.
This is our third year in SRK at so far happy naman kami. Liam is with high honors.
To live worthy
and to live worthy
of ourselves,
of our
country. The choices you make should come from your heart, so believe in yourself. 'Cause there's nothing you cannot do. In your dreams, that's when you will see. You will be part. The choices you make should come from your heart.
Congratulations, Liam boy! We are so proud of you.